Fitbit Luxe Advanced Health Tracker App. The pros, the cons. Most people think a fitness tracker only counts steps, but the Fitbit Luxe Advanced Health Tracker app goes far beyond basic tracking. But is it worth the investment? Let's dive into the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the app connects seamlessly with the Fitbit Luxe device to provide a full overview of your health metrics. You get real-time tracking of heart rate, sleep patterns, stress levels, and activity, all displayed in an easy-to-read dashboard. The app also offers guided breathing exercises, mindfulness sessions, and fitness challenges to keep you motivated. Another advantage is personalization. You can set daily goals for steps, calories, or active minutes, and the app provides insights and trends based on your data. For example, it can highlight changes in sleep quality over weeks or suggest adjustments to your activity to improve overall wellness. Integration with nutrition tracking allows a full picture of health in one app. The app also includes reminders and notifications to encourage movement, hydration, and sleep hygiene. Fitbit Premium users gain access to advanced insights, workout programs, and wellness reports, which can be particularly useful for those aiming to improve fitness or manage stress. On the downside, the full features require a subscription, and some may find the app overwhelming at first due to the sheer volume of data. Device dependency is another factor. Without a Fitbit Luxe, the app's functionality is limited. In conclusion, the Fitbit Luxe Advanced Health Tracker app is a powerful tool for anyone looking to monitor and improve their overall health. From heart rate tracking to sleep analysis, personalized insights, and guided wellness practices, it goes far beyond a basic step counter. If you're serious about holistic health, this app turns a Fitbit Luxe into a comprehensive personal health dashboard.